Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing us how to fix the Stalker 2 now launching on the Xbox game app on PC, and let's get straight into the video. So the first thing that you guys can do is go ahead and open up the Xbox app, go over to My Library. From My Library, what you can do is go over to Stalker 2, right click on it, hit Manage, and then go over to Files. From Files, you can go over to Verify and Repair. And then once this is done verifying and repairing, you can go ahead and start the game back up, and you can check to see if that fixes the issue. The second method you guys can do is simply just log out of your account and then log back in. But before you do that, you can always restart your PC as well. And you can always uninstall the Xbox app and then reinstall it as well, because that can be a potential fix as well. And then if you are having any network issues, you can either use an Ethernet cable. If you're having any network issues that's like, causing you from not opening up the app, you can go ahead and just uh, perform a network reset. You can unplug the wires out, unplug the power cord out of the router, wait about 30 seconds, plug it back in, or you can just, use an Ethernet cable. But anyways, once you do any of these things, you guys should be good to go and you're all set. So that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.